Hey guys, it's Rich, and I want to give you guys a few tips for getting tattooed on vacation because, that's what we do a lot of. We're out here just chilling, driving home from the beach, and I was thinking, I seen a couple people on the beach with fresh tattoos, and that is a major no. So it's really easy to prevent, though. The best thing to do is go in and talk to shops the day you get in or schedule it before you get to town and have it scheduled for the last day that you're in town. If you have to, even in the evening, spend all day out in the sun. Just don't get sunburn. Sunburns suck. You don't want to get tattooed on a sunburn. So right now we're at schedule before you get to town. Don't get a sunburn. Skin prep is important. Do not go to the beach. Do not go swimming. Do not go in the sun for 3 weeks. Sometimes people say 2 weeks. I say about 3 weeks. I honestly think it's really closer to like a month, a little bit longer, so that skin can regenerate because, your skin's a protective layer of the ink itself. And if you're not protecting it somehow, you're fucking up. Plain out and simple. So you need to make sure you're protecting your skin. Best way to do that is let it regrow. Let it do what it's supposed to do naturally. It is awesome at protecting your tattoo. But if you get in the sun within the first few days of getting tattooed, you can ruin the whole tattoo. I've seen somebody take 40% of the ink immediately out of the tattoo. I don't want to get into people's specific deals, but I had somebody not too long ago go out and put in a fence the day after they got a tattoo. And then they're looking pissed off at me that the tattoo's all faded and looks like the ghost of tattoos past, It's like a faded, ghost of a tattoo. I mean, of course I fixed it. I'm not an asshole. But, that's not cool. Not cool at all to make somebody work their ass off for you to go out and ruin your shit. The artist isn't going to be happy. You're not going to be happy. Tattoos getting fixed hurt more. So you don't want to do it twice if you can only do it once. And just like, Hannibal Lecter said, it was Buffalo Bill. Buffalo Bill said, you put the lotion on your skin or you get tattooed again.